Imagine this. You're sitting in front of a computer, but this isn't an ordinary machine. It doesn't just follow instructions, it learns, adapts, and thinks like a human brain. Now, imagine this AI isn't just made of silicon chips, but real, living human neurons, brain cells growing and working inside a computer. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. This is CL1, the world's first AI computer powered by human brain cells, created by Cortical Labs. It is a game-changing breakthrough that could redefine the future of artificial intelligence and even challenge what it means to be alive. Today, we're diving deep into this mind-blowing technology, how it works, why it's so revolutionary, and the terrifying ethical questions it raises. Are we creating the smartest AI ever, or are we playing with fire? Stick around to find out. The problem with AI today, right now, AI is impressive. It can generate art, write code, and even have conversations that feel almost human. But here's the catch. AI doesn't really think. It doesn't truly understand. It just follows mathematical instructions, crunching numbers at insane speeds. The biggest issue? AI needs massive amounts of data to learn. For example, a child can learn what a cat is after seeing just a few pictures. But for AI, it takes millions of images, endless calculations, and enormous processing power just to recognize a simple pattern. And that's where CL1 changes the game. Instead of relying on traditional programming, CL1 actually learns the way humans do, through experience. Why? Because it's powered by real human neurons. What is CL1? The birth of a new kind of intelligence, CL1, isn't just another AI. It's the first of its kind. A biological AI computer. Developed by Cortical Labs, this machine merges the power of traditional computers with real human brain cells. Let that sink in. This means we are no longer training AI with just silicon and electricity. We were using living neurons capable of adapting, thinking, and even rewiring themselves. This isn't just artificial intelligence anymore. It's something new. But how does this even work? How CL1 works. A living, learning AI. Step 1. Growing human. Neuron scientists take stem cells and grow them into neurons inside a lab. These brain cells form real biological networks, just like in a human brain. Step 2. Connecting neurons to a computer. The neurons are placed onto a special biochip and connected to an electronic system. Step 3. Learning through experience, unlike traditional AI, which is trained on gigantic datasets, CL1 learns through trial and error, just like a human baby figuring out the world. For example, in early experiments, these neurons learn to play Pong, yes, the classic arcade game, without any programming. Just like a human, they made mistakes, adjusted, and got better over time. This means AI powered by CL1 doesn't just process data, it understands it. It's not just reacting, it's thinking. Why CL1 is a game-changer 1, learning with less data. No more training AI on billions of examples. CL1 can learn the way humans do, with just a few experiences. 2. Insane energy efficiency. Now, AI models like ChatGPT require massive data centers that use tons of electricity. But CL1 mimics the human brain, which runs on just 20 watts of power, less than a light bulb. 3. More human-like thinking. Most AI lacks intuition and creativity, but CL1 has real neurons, meaning it could eventually make decisions as naturally as a human brain. Bunter 4. A new era of neuroscience. By studying CL1, scientists might unlock secrets of the human brain, leading to cures for Alzheimer's, brain injuries, and more. But here's where things get crazy. The big question: are we creating a thinking machine? This is where things start to get weird. If we're using real brain cells to create AI, then we need to ask, is this AI alive? Could it have thoughts? Does it feel pain? And the scariest question of all, what happens if it becomes too intelligent? If an AI made of human neurons starts to learn, adapt, and evolve, could it develop self-awareness? Could it one day demand rights? Could it outsmart us? Some scientists argue neurons alone aren't enough to create consciousness, that it takes a full brain. But others say, we might be closer to true artificial life than we ever imagined. So what do we do with this technology? Should we push forward, or should we stop before it's too late? The future of human AI hybrids right now, CL1 is just the beginning. But imagine what's next. AI-powered brain implants that boost intelligence, computers that think and feel like humans, a world where AI and humans are indistinguishable. Is this the next step in evolution, or the start of something dangerous? That's the big question. What do you think? This is one of the most mind-blowing breakthroughs in history. AI powered by real human neurons is here. But is this a breakthrough or a nightmare? Let us know in the comments. If you loved this deep dive, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insane tech updates. And remember, the future is coming faster than we think.